Risotto is one of many amazing dishes the Italians brought to life. Many people consider it difficult to cook, although it really isn't. Today I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Nico and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly easy but very delicious mushroom risotto. Let's get straight to it. To cook this amazing risotto, you only need a handful of ingredients. You need some good quality extra virgin olive oil, some butter, a little bit of parmesan cheese for later, any kind of risotto rice, I'm using arborio here, one medium-sized onion, a bunch of garlic, and of course some mushrooms. Just use whatever kind you like best. I'm just using regular brown mushrooms from the grocery store. Start preparing the veggies by cutting the mushrooms to about 1 cm sized pieces. And although this might seem like they are cut way too big and there are too many of them, they will shrink down a lot when you cook all the water out of them. Once that's done, take your garlic, smash it with a knife so the peel comes right off, and chop it up very finely. And oh yeah, you could also use a garlic crusher for this, but I decided to cut it up this time. Now let's continue with the onion. You want to finely mince it as well, so you don't end up with any big pieces of onion in your risotto. And once you're finished with that, that's basically all the prep work you need to do for this dish. If you really want to, you can definitely wash your risotto rice. I tried it out this time to see if it would make a difference, and it really did not. Now let's head to the stove. If you have some sort of homemade stock, now would be the time to bring it to a boil, and if not, water mixed with some stock cubes will work fine as well. A general rule of thumb when making risotto is to prepare about 4 to 6 times as much stock as you have rice. While the stock's coming up to temperature, add some olive oil and a good knob of butter to your pot and let it come up to temperature over high heat. Then throw your mushrooms in, and this is what I said when I meant we will cook them down heavily. They release a lot of water and you definitely want to wait until all the water is evaporated. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, and by the way, what I totally forgot before is we also need some white wine, which is great for cooking but also for drinking. Once all the water has evaporated, your mushrooms should fry a little bit in this olive oil butter mixture. After a couple of minutes, add some more olive oil if needed and add in your garlic and onion. Fry this off for a couple of minutes until everything becomes slightly brown and the onions have softened. Now once everything looks like this, add in your rice and fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. If something sticks to the bottom of your pan and turns a little darker than you want to, don't freak out. It's called fond and it's actually a good thing because it will create beautiful flavors. Now add a glass of white wine to deglaze the pot. When the white wine has fully evaporated, turn down the heat to medium and add enough stock to cover the rice. Once you can see that the mixture is starting to get a little dry again, add some more stock, stir it around and repeat this process for about 20 minutes, depending on the texture you like. In the meantime, here's a little tip for the lazy ones. If you don't want to grate a hell lot of parmesan cheese, just cut it into chunks and put it in your food processor to save some time. I really like to add some herbs to my risotto. I have some freshly ground up dried rosemary here and also some thyme. It goes really well with mushrooms in my opinion. Just don't add too much because otherwise it might cover up the beautiful mushroomy flavor. A little later I also added a bunch of pepper, and after about 20 minutes this is what my risotto looks like. Give it a quick taste test to check the consistency. To me it was close to perfect, so I decided to add in my parmesan cheese, give it a quick stir and let it cook for just another minute. Just look at this amazing creamy texture. This is what risotto is all about. If needed, adjust the consistency with a little bit more soup, and once you're happy with it, take the pot off the heat, adjust the seasoning one last time and your risotto is ready to be served. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment down below and consider subscribing. It would really help me out. Thanks again, stay safe and bye bye.